Yeah, guys, that is here we are. There is Travis. Now I think if I can go and maybe swimming to the beach, it'll be fine. Since you can see. This is the goodness of the place. Now my children, John, where is John? Everyone is gathered. There's a lot of some people here. I don't know if you can see them. Now as we are heading towards the beach, guys, I wish you good things. Now you better see, explore. Here there are a lot of sources. But what you have to do is, when you make sure you grab your own things, make sure you grab them. You don't make them challenges. Even my children, I can't see them. Now, those who wish they could have a ride, they're gonna come here with their children. They're gonna have a ride here. You guys, it's so bad I'm holding the camera, but you know what I want to do is most of the time I feel so happy. That is when I get into this. Thank you so much, this is nice. Yes. You can see people are enjoying, everyone is very happy about what is happening. So guys, I may continue just showing you the goodness of the place. Hello Papa! Happy New Year, good people! Sure. As you can see, children are here. This is the sea, guys. I'm gonna go with you. This is the one we say Ngwabi Sea. People they call this sea. This is the dirtiest sea, guys. Don't wait it China. Why? Because they say this place, that is where all Zimbabweans, all people they come, everyone, because it's very simple, it's easily located. Plus here the location, I think that is where many people they do stay. Yeah, so it's easy. If we don't have transport, we can use oh, we are not allowed. Thank you so much. This is the danger zone, yes. Also, there are sharks there. Oh, all right. Mina ndifuna kuyangena pha. Kuyangenwa. Sure. Nisanje ngawafana wami ukuthi ndibachile ifone yabo. Yes, so they are good people, guys. Me, I don't specialize on the porno things because I know what it means. So, I don't know. You see, yeah. Why our country Zimbabwe is a little bit, but can you see there are white people, and you see what happens is this ocean, people are playing. This is the place they are allowed to play here. Here I wanted to go and play. They said we are not allowed to go there. You can see where those shows. Yes, hello children. How are you, my children? And I'm not pinning you go now. The children, they are now going. Can you see, guys? I'm just watching over my children as they are getting into the sea. Is that? Ibasa makoti. All right. Imomu saka inini nongo. Mafoni mabata. All right. Chenda makoti, chenda mwanangu. People are chanting hymns, the story, songs, whatever, guys. Guys, I will tell you. Let me follow the grace. Me, you know, I don't go to the one so that I can live. some videos, guys. Yeah, this is the stuff. Our battery. Yes. Can you see my children? I want to just go near them so that all can see. Itai kuti vana dzimwe nguva vauye tasai mona umwe ari kutamba bhora apa. Vana vari kutamba bhora, vari kuita zvakasiyana siyana. These are the children we have. These are the children that we have, guys. They are also enjoying. Can you just watch them? Yeah, get inside! Get inside! Get inside! This is their shoes. See? Their shoes are scattered everywhere. Yeah, yeah, there's a lot of entertainment, guys. This place is totally fascinating. Can you see the boats that are coming from that side, guys? So, guys, you see, me, what I'm gonna do, guys, if you're there, I'm gonna get inside. To where they say, hey, don't go, whatever, whatever. Yes. Audrey! Audrey! Hey, I have to watch the children very careful. I don't know where they are, children. This place, children, yeah. They are with makoti, makoti, mwana wangu, saka, vana so far, we know our children, they are safe. If our children here, they are safe. I'm not gonna get inside, guys. I'm not gonna play with water if I don't make sure that my children, they are at one place. Because what matters mostly is the security matters. To take care of the children. Can you see that one who is also going there? Guys, I'm so much excited. Can you see me from there, guys? Because I cannot take just my phone, I don't know what it is. But the whole place of Mwabile. This is Mwabile. Mwabisi, guys. They call it Mwabisi, guys. People are now told to come out. Yeah, especially like they will be telling people that this time you're gonna come in. This time because they hold the saline. Yeah, you see here there's a lot of something that is happening. Yeah, punishment no. Raul like this. I'm gonna host it's guys. It's host guys. 300. Bana 6 man kusvika 6 am munenge muri mumvura muchibata hotels. Saka this smells ndodzinozoshandiswa kumahotels kugadzira so beautiful, nice special food. This is what they do, guys. So I would advise anybody, if you want to feel like you can come here and get a place, a resort where you feel at home, guys. You're also welcome, guys. You're also welcome, guys. They are also welcome. These are our children, guys. They are happy. And here, there's not anybody who is being asked to be of either fixed or board or whatsoever. Whatever they just need is the people who are in a peaceful environment. Guys, let me gonna just check the children. Yet here, where are my children? I must go for a show. That is if John is here, I can see him. Truly what will happen is I will surrender this phone to him, and I also, as Oscar, I know you must also see me into the river. Me, yeah, they are not being, it's because of the also offshores, these offshores. You see, if they come like this, these people, the one people that they have to run away. Chinotika kuti vanhu varimwe vadyiwe neshaki kazhinji ndeyekuti shaki kana iri mumvura zvinonzi munhu ane magetsi anawo. Can you see, guys? This is the rescue team. They rescue, guys. They are trained, guys. So we are very happy about it. But I'm not gonna switch it off until you see me inside. Guys, you are also welcome to come and like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. The channel is for everyone, guys. This is what I've been praying for, that if this day comes, guys, you're gonna see me. And when it happens, I'll be there. And I'm praying so that this will be the beginning of this year, 2026, God can bless His children, His sons and daughters of Africa, the whole world, the whole nation, the whole world as a whole, guys, so that we can have more things, surpluses, our children, we can grow, live until we see our grandchildren, guys. So thank you so much, guys. I'm not gonna continue because can you see what is happening now? The officers, they are now taking the shoes now. Well, I'm not gonna stand, guys. Guys, look what is happening, guys. I can't stand it. So this is what is happening. The children, they are somewhere, guys. Where are they now? I can't see them. Yeah, it's beginning to be cold. The weather is a bit chilly now. But people have enjoyed, guys. So this is one of the sea here. If God allows me, I'm gonna go to as many 50 or 100 seas here. And the sea and the ocean is a two different subjects. The ocean is twice or thrice bigger than a sea. That is what is happening. This water we cannot see it. And this water, you see, that is where you see there are children there. This water is warm. That. Hello. Yeah, there. Good people. Yeah, my name is Job. Person, you're gonna follow me also. I'm Kera Power on YouTube. Thank you so much, good people. You see, people that are beginning. They are beginning. Yeah, I'm gonna come to take my things because if they are like this, there's not gonna be a problem. And I can see there are trolleys here, trailers. Hello, Kunyan CC. Thank you, my sister. Nice. So this is what we are seeing, guys. I'm gonna get into this, but I'm not sure either if I'm gonna see my shoes there. Hey, this is, guys, can you see? This is salt. This is salt. Salt, it comes from the sea. This is how it is. Hey, I'm gonna fall, guys. This is where I wanted to show you. So here you see children. They are for children, mainly for children. That is why I was telling you that sometimes we wanted should I say a lunch here. We were seated in the waters and it was warm. As you can see, that's why you see there are children here. Because the water is warm, guys. Can you see? Where is this? Which direction is this? So guys, I'm very thankful. I'm gonna go and take care of the things that are left behind. Because as you see, I'm gonna lose the... Hey, can you see fish? Fish. I've seen it. I just wanted to show you fish. This water is salty, guys. Some people are now going home. But it's not yet over until it's over, guys. So I'm gonna explore whatever. Can you see? This is everything. So I'm just waiting for my children. If my children are here, guys, nothing more. Natasha! Audrey! Audrey! Hey. Chaka John! You see, John doesn't want to come near. He doesn't want to come near me. He wants to go afar from me. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4 pairs of shoes. People. I think what you wanted to see, guys, I've shown you. I've spoken, guys. I've spoken. The whole of the area is this, guys. The truth is, more than the truth, I have spoken. Now it's time for me to get inside. It's time for me to get inside. To be there inside also. I'm very happy. If God allows me, blesses me and my family, next year I'll be here also, guys. So I didn't want so much to involve myself into this, but just to have a showcase only. But what I assure you is I'm going to get inside. When it happens, I will be there. Totally will be there inside. So guys, to those who haven't seen me now, I am here because of you. Decided not to get in because I can't get inside before I see my family. What is happening there? Can you see? You see, this is what is happening. They are going inside. I think I've shown you all what you wanted to see, guys. This is so 14 minutes, 15 minutes. Let me also help. Let me also help. Yes, nice. Nice. It's getting inside now. Yes, you can see. Yes. I want to light in there. The light on there. I'm going to say, bring the ganja sayibona. Hey. Njengoba afana wami nami ngifuna ukungena phakathi yo. Yeah. Now we are talking shoulder. Nice one. Thanks. Yeah. These are speed boats. Can you see them? But my works is nice. Yes, I appreciate. So these are the rescue teams. If you want to get into have a ride, you are also welcome. It's only I did not have enough time to ask. No. You see, very incapacitated. Guys, thank you so much. You've been watching us. Don't forget, I always say, like, comment, share, and subscribe. We're gonna explore a lot. Thank you. All those people, they seem to be singing. Hey. Can you see that dancing? Yeah. They are happy. This is the new year, guys. Everything is new. The old is gone. Come safe, honey. Yeah, children. People have come with their children. It's a lot of numbers, guys. As you can watch. Vana vabereki bonke babuyile ukuzojabula lesihlobo lesingani yonke into yezwa. Yes. Children, daughters in South of Africa, they are gathered. Guys, also come and celebrate with us the new year. Is it a new year to everyone? Or it's just a new year to us only? Thank you, Siyabonga. Thank you.